If you've ever wondered what network management actually means, here's the plain English version. I'm talking about everything that keeps your Wi-Fi, switches, servers, and cloud apps reliable, secure, and fast. You can handle it with your in-house IT crew or hire a managed service provider and MSP to do it for you. First up, visibility. You can't fix what you can't see. Set up monitoring tools that watch devices, links, and apps 24/7. Think pings, SNMP, and flow data to spot outages or slowdowns before users do. Green is good, yellow means watch it, red means move now. Next, inventory and configuration. Keep a live map of routers, switches, access points, firewalls, and IoT stuff. Then backup configs automatically, so if someone fat fingers a change, you can roll it back in minutes. Security is a constant drumbeat. Patch your gear, enforce strong passwords and MFA. Segment the network so guests, finance and production don't bump elbows. Use a firewall with intrusion prevention, turn on DNS filtering, and log everything to a central system so weird behavior pops up fast. Performance tuning matters too. Watch bandwidth, latency, and packet loss. If video calls are choppy, check Wi-Fi interference, channel width, and client load per access point. On the wired side, look for duplex mismatches, overloaded uplinks, or a single chatty app hogging the pipe. Quality of service rules can prioritize voice and critical apps over background updates. Then there's change management. Plan changes, test in a lab or during a maintenance window, write a quick rollback plan, and tell people what's coming. Simple steps prevent big headaches. Documentation is non-negotiable. A current network diagram, an IP plan, a VLAN list, and a simple restart runbook save hours when things break. Incidents happen. My playbook: detect, contain, communicate, fix, review. If a switch dies, swap it and restore the config, then do a post-mortem so it doesn't happen twice. If it's a security event, isolate the device, pull logs, reset creds, patch, and report. So should you do this in-house or hire an MSP? In-house gives you control and context. Great if you have staff, budget, and round-the-clock coverage. An MSP brings tooling, 24/7 monitoring, and broad experience, useful if your team is small or you want predictable costs. Many businesses go hybrid. Internal IT handles projects and strategy. The MSP watches alerts, patches, and backups. Pick the model that fits your size, risk, and pace. Costs to consider: monitoring and security licenses, hardware refresh cycles, training time, and after-hours support. With an MSP, look at SLAs, response times, uptime guarantees, security responsibilities, and make sure you own your data and configs. Here's a quick starter checklist. Get an accurate inventory and a clear network diagram. Turn on automated config backups. Enable centralized logging and alerts. Patch on a schedule. Emergency patch when needed. Segment your network and require MFA. Define maintenance windows and a rollback plan. Test backups. Don't just hope. That's network management in a nutshell. See everything. Secure everything. Document everything and fix fast. Whether it's your team, an MSP, or both, the goal is simple. Keep the network invisible until the moment you need it.